Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G41, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap to the connected devices. Now just go to the connection preferences and tap here on the NFC section. Just here to enable the NFC on your device, tap here once on the switcher and that's it. And if you want to turn it off, just tap here again on the switcher. And also we got the second way, just go to the notification panel and here you'll see you can find on the notification panel the NFC icon, and just to activate the NFC on your device, tap here once on this item and that's it. And if you want to turn it off, tap here again on the item, and that's how it looks. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.